Hello, welcome back to World Days. Right now we have a slight risk of severe weather tomorrow, but that isn't really the only headline. We have an extremely critical fire danger across portions of Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, as well as portions of northern Texas Panhandle as well. Definitely not a good situation right there. But looking at tonight, we do have that critical fire danger across portions of northern Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle. We're going to be seeing a widespread wind event tomorrow. That's very significant. We have widespread wind. We have widespread wind warning, high wind warning stretching all the way. A lot of Arizona, Utah, Wyoming, New Mexico, Colorado, all of Nebraska, nearly all of Iowa, southern, much of South Dakota, Minnesota. We have a high wind related warnings across portions as well. All of Wisconsin, and also heading into all of the Upper Peninsula as well, as half the Lower Peninsula as well. So, really a widespread, extremely widespread, really. And then we have a lot of winter related watches and warnings along on the west. And we also have the slight risk of severe weather tomorrow across portions of northern Iowa and into southern Minnesota. This is a very unique area for the middle of December. This is really the first time really ever these areas have seen at least a tornado risk is high in the middle of December, really. And yeah, 5% tornado, 15% wind, no hail is expected, really. Although we'll be seeing a fast-moving line of thunderstorms as well heading to later evening, going into the overnight hours. Again, with that strong low-level jet, we'll be seeing again winds up to like 50 to 60 knots, only a couple hundred feet up, which could supplement as a potentially widespread wind event tomorrow. Even if it's some showers, that could be mixed down to the surface easily. Definitely wouldn't surprise me along portions, especially across portions of central Iowa. We could be seeing a hashed wind threat, but I'm not the Storm Prediction Center, so yeah, on day 3, you have that marginal risk across portions of Oklahoma, Louisiana, northern extreme, mostly the Arklatex, and then also mid-Mississippi Valley. So that's really it. Anyways, moving on, looking at the JTWC's outlook right now, we do have right now Ray tropical storm, and then we also have Ruby as well. Looking at right now, Ray, it's expected to continue strengthening, maybe peak at around 90 knots, first peak really, and strike to Philippines as a typhoon. Again, strong winds, storm surge, and heavy rainfall are the main threats with that. As it heads to the South China Sea, it's expected to strengthen to 105 knots. As it makes its approach to Vietnam, it's expected to weaken by then, peaking around with winds around 105 knots. Looking at Ruby, final warning was issued, expected to continue to head off to the southeast. So yeah, a lot of pretty busy next couple of days, to say the least. So really, apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.